If you've developed your own editing style as a photographer, then copying that look and feel across your portfolio is a really important step. There are two really easy ways to do this in Lightroom, and I'm going to explore both of those in this video. First, pick the image that you're happy with and the one that you want to replicate across your portfolio. If it's a style for ongoing photography work, then you'll want to create what's called a preset. To do this, hit the plus in the top of the preset box, and this will bring up a little window where you can select the edit settings that you want to copy from that image. It's unlikely you'll want to copy every change, especially the local adjustments, so make sure you untick the color balance, crop, spot removal, linear and radial tool checkboxes here. Then name the preset something that is key to the style of the photography, for example wedding photography or a specific camera that you use. You can now apply this preset to the rest of your images, and you can even apply it during the import stage of your workflow. The other way to do it is by pressing Command or Control as well as Shift and C, which will bring up the same checkbox window. The difference with this version is it doesn't save it as a preset and just as a quick copy and paste. I hope you found this useful. For more Lightroom tips, don't forget to check out the rest of the series with Wex Photo Video.